Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, we are showing you guys our brand new 22 by 12 $20 Uvdtf gang sheet. As you guys know, we are always trying to release new products. So in today's video, we are going to show you our brand new. It's brand new. It's already on the website. Some of you guys may have seen it. I actually talked about it in the last video when I talked about the products that we offer. But let's go ahead, let's get into the video and let's tell you more about this 22 by 12 Uvdtf gang sheet. Okay guys, yes, so as you can see, this is it. This is a beautiful gang sheet, and it's not, this is the traditional Uvdtf gang sheet, this huge 22 by 24, as the Miss Vanna White shows the size. Obviously, don't count this little extra. This is to help you fold and maintain your transfer and kind of hold it up. But go ahead, show up I'll hold this and you show up the 22 by 12. So we decided to come out with the, put it over it a little bit. There you go. Yeah, we decided to come out with the 22 by 12 because this 22 by 24 is $45, $39.99 if you're a Prime member. So we decided, you know what, let's come out with a smaller size because everybody knows our famous apparel DTF gang sheet is only $19.99, $16.99 if you're a Flash Plus member. So the same thing applies to this gang sheet as well. If you're a Flash Plus member, you will get the 22 by 12 Uvdtf gang sheet for only $16.99.
Yes, and our membership is $8.99 per month.
Yes.
And then you have access to discounts with DFT. What is DFT?
What is DFT? It's early, guys.
It is like 9.
Yeah.
We don't film this anymore. You have access to DTF.
Discounts.
DTF discounts, shipping discounts, expedited shipping discounts, and now Uvdtf discounts. Yes. We have, like we said, $39.99 for members and $16.99 for members. So you definitely do have, you know, unlocked to all these discounts with our membership. So if you're interested in that, we also have that link down below. You can just click it and it'll give you all the information. I actually do need to update it. I need to put this on my flyer. On our thing, because we just added this. But we have had several people already order our 22 by 12. So yeah, they you know, check the website periodically. They see it and they grab it. No video needed. No video needed.
And don't forget, we also have local pickup. So
yes,
if you are local, please just come and pick it up, and you know, you'll avoid that shipping price. And we will actually be pressing this Straight Outta Content and this YouTube logo and this subscribe. But let me kind of bring it into the camera just to kind of show you guys, or if Shell, if you want, if you can talk about how they can maximize their size for this 22 by 12.
Maximize it as in, what do you mean? Maximize?
Well, because like we don't offer the 22 by 12 in apparel DTF because most people are doing like shirt sizes and this isn't big enough. But for Uvdtf, which isn't, you know, going on apparel.
Yes. Oh yeah. So for they're mainly for, you know, obviously they're weedless decals, no weeding, no anything like that. So this could be for our hard surfaces. And if we think about it, our hard surfaces are usually small. We have our mugs, we have our cups, we have our phone cases, we have things like that. So stickers, that's Tokaboka, right?
Yes.
Oh, Tokaboka stickers for your kiddos. So this 12 by 22 would be perfect for you if you have a lot of small images that you would like to purchase with Uvdtf. If you're not wanting to get our big 22 by 24. And then this guy, I don't think we even have 22 by 12. So if he wanted, you know, all of these little bitty, look how many he would be able to get.
Exactly.
What is it, half?
Yeah.
So about from here to here, he still was able to get so many images. So this is for your small images that you don't need a big old 22 by 24 sheet.
Or if you're just doing like, because in fact, this Straight Outta Content, like if you're doing long images and you just need like 1 or 2 maybe, you know what I mean? Or maybe you print 2, there's just $20 real quick instead of ordering a big old gang sheet and you're like, man, what else am I gonna put on there for $45?
Yeah, and also I'm thinking this can be a good sample sheet for contracts. If you know, we have sample sheets with, do we have them in here?
Well, this is a contract right here. This is us trying to.
Yeah, do we have our DTF samples here?
DTF right here, this one?
Or both of our samples. So we do offer sample sheets.
Oh, that one was cut.
But they are not custom. So if you are working on a contract and you're like, you know, I have UVDTF, you can buy one of these small ones, put their images on here with the file they provide, their logos, and then you can give them this as a sample. Right now we have our Phases Barbershop Premium Cut and Shave. So this is our test sample. We will bring it to him. If he approves it, if he likes it, then we are going to be doing a big one for his window in front of his shop. So we were able to maximize this and have it work for us and what we needed. So we were able to get this on lock. We are going to make a video with this. So this is all a very productive, productive piece. So that's what we, you know, encourage, productivity.
The shoes are for Donovan because he has a pair of Jordans. So I will be doing a separate video on that. This Flash Custom Transfers logo, we're trying to still figure out where we want to put that. Maybe we want to put it on the Lexus, on it something else. We don't know. Look, she don't want to put nothing on our car, but we drive
Edit that out.
We drive it so much. And then, like I said, this Phases Barbershop. Danny is on Straight Outta Content. He's actually been in a few of my videos, so he reached out to us and said, "Hey guys, just do something." So I threw it on here. It's 6x6, but we're gonna probably go like.
We can only go 22.
Yeah, but we're gonna go pretty big. So 22 wide, but maybe pretty long, and just add different sections in there. And we're gonna do his barbershop glass window. And then on top of that, we have a big video coming soon.
Today, hopefully, with the UVDTF?
Yes, with UVDTF.
Oh yeah, so we were able to secure, actually my cousin, he just opened up a barbershop in College Station, Texas. So he actually just opened up last month. So he's needing decals for his window. He's needing merch. He's needing small decals to give away. You know, he's needing all these things, and he reached out to us, which I'm so thankful for. You know, our presence online, you know, it's really impressed him, and he wanted, you know, he said, I don't want to work with anybody else but you guys. So love to hear it. So he actually ordered about 30 shirts and some really big UVDTF. Yeah. So we haven't had, we don't offer the 22 by 120, but we do have it available if you need it. So if you have these big orders, please reach out to us. Hey, are you able to print, you know, this size? If we don't have it on our website, we still are able to accommodate you on those sizes. So we got a 22 by 120, and I think we got 4 of those sheets.
I think so, yeah.
So we're really,
as long as you want. Just a custom order, email us.
We're really excited to show you this, because we haven't been able to see, you know, UVDTF that big, you know, in hand. So we're excited about that. But we were able to secure that with samples and things like that. So this is what that sheet could be good for.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So please, again, we have some other things coming along, because I like the way that this is sized for some, like, we're going to be doing some experiments, some more. You guys know we like to experiment. So we have our backsplash on our kitchen that we're gonna test using UVDTF. We're really going to expand. We're just gonna be like, what's them home shows that we watch with them people out there in Waco?
And her name April?
I don't know. I don't know ladies' names.
You sure don't?
Blink twice. So,
I forgot. Gaines.
Gaines, right?
No, that's April Gaines. Oh, that's my friend, April Gaines.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
I think it's the same name.
Is it?
I think they are.
I don't know if I'm tripping. Aren't they?
Right.
But April Gaines is April. It's Lerpa. Shout out to Lerpa.
But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna like fix your house, extreme
fixer-uppers.
Fixer-upper, yeah. We're gonna be doing stuff like that to kind of show like what you can do, just some ideas, because we, you know, the what is it, the backsplash, like stick stuff, that's really no more than just a sticker. So with UVDTF, you're able to create custom tiles and stuff like that. So we are really going to push the limit and push the envelope when it comes to using UVDTF. And again, you will only see these types of videos here, because right now everybody online is only doing pre-made Etsy stuff and pre-made designs. And we're like, no, please look at this and then think of how you in your industry or wherever you're at can really maximize it and use it in your area. So I'm just super excited. I can't wait till people start seeing us. Once they start seeing us take it to businesses and put it on, you know, glass windows and stuff like that, they're gonna be like, oh, I can do more than mugs. You know what I mean? So
we got some exciting videos.
We got some exciting videos.
Sure. Shout out to Miss Kelly at the Paint Cloud.
Oh yes, that's coming out today.
Shout out to Miss Kelly.
Yes, that's coming out
And, you know, we gave her some samples as well, and she is excited about getting her decor on her retail store window and door, and then she's going to help out her neighbors. So we went and visited her shop yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember Miss Kelly from a live not too long ago. She called in, and very pleasant. It was so pleasant. Such a pleasure to meet Miss Kelly. So shout out to her. I know she's watching. Hey, Miss Kelly.
This video will be out after that video. So if you haven't seen that video, it is on the channel as of now, even though we're filming later. And please go check it out because she has a tremendous story.
Oh, man.
And we just want, you know, her story is truly amazing, and the amount of people that she's helping with her purpose. Like, her store has a 100% purpose. So guys, if you are watching this video and you haven't seen that, please go click it. You'll see the thumbnail with Chelly and Miss Kelly, Kelly and Chelly.
Kelly.
On that, and please click it, and, you know, please share that content. But that's gonna be it. Don't forget to check out this video, very similar video, on Flash Custom Transfers channel. And if you have any questions, you can always email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. You can head on over to the website, Flash Custom Transfers, to pick up your very own 22 by 12 $20 gang sheet. And if you are a member, it's only $16.99. Is there anything else that you want to say?
I just want to let you guys know, if you are not ready to commit to the $20, we do have $15 samples. If you want to get samples, we have, you know, an embroidery sample, just so you can see the bright colors, the gradients of what we offer. And we also have our DTF samples for $13, and it's free shipping for both.
Yes.
So you're just paying a flat 15 and a flat 13 if you are not ready to jump in the water. So those will be on the website as well.
Definitely. And don't forget, we also have other products. We have our traditional apparel DTF, the OG DTF gang sheet, and this is also embroidery effect. We can do that. We also have sublimation gang sheets, because everybody thinks that we hate sublimation, yet we manufacture sublimation gang sheets, 22 by 24 as well. And then the world's first UV DTF gang sheet, guys.
And you guys know we are the only ones on the block with gang sheets, UV DTF. So please take advantage, because you're not gonna find it anywhere else.
Not gonna find it anywhere else, and now we offer it in a smaller size, so it's more affordable to you. Remember, buy low, sell high. You know my slogan, be basic.
It's too early. It's too early for all that, sir.